In this report, I'm going to give you a first look at the 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ electric vehicle, the first electric SUV from Cadillac, plus the first Caddy to run on GM's new Ultium battery. The battery's flexible design had a big influence on this car. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily electric vehicle news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and also please give us thumbs up if you like this video. So Cadillac first electric SUV, the LYRIQ, has an estimated 300 miles of range and starting price of $59,990. So we can say 300 miles of range and $60,000 price. We're gonna take this look with the help of Mashable, article that says from the inside out, designers took advantage of GM's new flexible Ultium battery to craft the 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ, Cadillac's first all-electric SUV. The new battery with Ultium-ion cells that stack vertically and horizontally meant the luxury car could be as big as wide and as low as designers craved. It set the stage for the LYRIQ's knockout 22-inch wheels, massive 33-inch driver display, and other interior details like ample legroom in the back and even the design of an HVAC vents. Besides the fresh battery technology, the Cadillac LYRIQ sports GM's hands-free driver assistance system, Super Cruise. Here's a quote I want to share with you, friends. "We finally got a platform to do all the things we wanted to do," said Andrew Smith, Executive Director Cadillac Design, on Monday at a first look event for the LYRIQ in Los Angeles. This was the first time press could see and sit inside a production model of the vehicle, which prior to this week had only been displayed in company materials and splashy Super Bowl commercials with Will Ferrell and Timothée Chalamet. The LYRIQ, which has an estimated 300 miles of range and starts at $59,990, is the first of many electric cars General Motors plans to release with its Ultium battery. GM expects to go all electric by 2035, and the Ultium battery is supposed to help drive the push. Now, the grille of the 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ lights up upon approach, and this is a beautiful vehicle. Cadillac designers knew they wanted to give the LYRIQ big wheels for an athletic look, and the LYRIQ, as seen from the back, you can see it's really kind of has a nice look. The door handles are flush and don't pop out when you press the handle. The door pushes out a few inches and then you push it open by grasping inside the car. And the 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ grille is very kind of demanding, which looks good in my opinion as well. Now, while the LYRIQ is an SUV, it looks nothing like other members of the Cadillac SUV family, right? Including the Escalade and XT5. Compared to its well-known cousin, the LYRIQ EV is long and squat, says Mashable. It reminded the author of the Mashable story of his schnoodle, he says, who has short legs and long body. When asked why Cadillac went for a low to the ground versus towering over traffic look of many SUVs, Smith was quick to respond, saying, "Because it looks awesome," he quipped. He added the LYRIQ's design was a good place for Cadillac to start with its electric SUV. If it wants to do a variant with a high commanding chair in the future, it can, he added. And as you can look at the car from above and from the sides, looking at the glass roof from the inside of Cadillac room, it's really beautiful vehicle. Cadillac LYRIQ doesn't have a windshield wiper in the back. The car's designed so that the wind wind will force rain to slide off the back window as the vehicle moves. Interesting design, right? So Crystal Wyndham, Cadillac's interior design director, noted that the roughly 35-inch wide and 5-inch tall display behind the steering wheel was designed with Super Cruise in mind, while the 5-seater is braking and changing lanes for you, and your hands are off the wheel, but you are still on the road. You can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto apps through touch, voice commands, or knob near the cup holders on the right hand side. Touch won't work on the screen directly behind the wheel, but it will on the left and right. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto work wirelessly. It's a driver-centered approach, Wyndham said. The Cadillac LYRIQ isn't the first electric car to put a massive display behind the wheel. The 2020 iX BMW's new all-electric SUV also has a display that's slightly less wide, at about 27 inches when you add up its dual screens. The 2020 Lucid Air, for example, sports a 34-inch display, and Mercedes is trumpeting its big, huge 56-inch so-called hyperscreen for the 2020 EQS electric sedan. If you haven't seen that, please look in our Torque News YouTube channel. Mercedes has that hyperscreen. Now, like with other GM vehicles with Super Cruise, the driver assistant feature that can change lanes for you while only be available as part of your initial purchase for 3 years, after which point owners will have to pay a $25 monthly subscription fee. I think that's annoying, right? Smith said this was to cover the cost of keeping the system up to date for safety reasons. Super Cruise uses a mix of sensors, onboard mapping software, and satellite technology to run. Tesla is also going to the subscription model with its full self-driving system, of course, which is run on cameras, sensors, and the car's computer. You can either pay Tesla $10,000 upfront for the automated driving assistance feature or a $199 monthly fee. So Cadillac's $25 monthly subscription is fair, but of course it's not full self-driving. But back to the LYRIQ's battery, like I mentioned in the beginning. Ultium is an exciting prospect, but another GM brand, Chevrolet, is currently dealing with its own battery headaches for the Chevy Bolt, another all-electric car. Bolts from 2017 to 2019 have been recalled not once but twice due to risk of fire, costing GM $800 million. The new 2022 Chevy Bolt and crossover Bolt EUV didn't get Ultium batteries, but Chevy has reportedly indicated they will in 2023 and 2024 respectively. The 100 kilowatt-hour battery in the Cadillac LYRIQ electric vehicle can add 76 miles of range in about 10 minutes with DC fast charging, that means level 3 charger, according to Cadillac. By comparison, the BMW iX is supposed to net 90 miles and comparable Teslas add about 100 miles after 10 minutes of fast charging. In this case, you get 76 miles of fast charging after 10 minutes. Battery innovation, which will lead to longer ranges, faster charging, and original designs, will be the name of the game as car companies compete in the growing electric vehicle marketplace. So beyond the Ultium battery, the LYRIQ has other bells and whistles too. Cadillac estimates it has 340 horsepower and 440 Nm of torque. When you approach the car with the key, you'll get a light show on the grille. The car handles are flush against the body and don't pop out. Instead, you press them and the door shuts open a few inches with a subtle robotic vroom sound. You open the door all the way by putting your hand inside the car and pulling outward. Mashable also notes that keep in mind we only got to see a pre-production production vehicle and didn't test drive the car. The LYRIQ is on track to go into production in the first quarter of 2022 at GM's new Spring Hill, Tennessee factory, still under construction. Cadillac plans to have LYRIQ electric vehicle on sale on sales lots within the first half of the next year. Reservations for the 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ open on September 18 of this year. And so let me know, friends, what do you think about Cadillac LYRIQ, whatever you have seen so far? Do you like what you see? How would you compare it to Tesla Model Y, for example, or other comparable vehicles? In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily electric vehicle news, Tesla news, and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and also give us thumbs up, tweet this story out if you found this information helpful and useful. God bless you everyone, peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.